How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can hide your IP address using a VPN. Now, I could imagine you want to use a VPN to hide your IP address and gain a new IP address in order to, of course, encrypt your traffic on public Wi-Fi. If you're using public Wi-Fi, maybe you just want to access a foreign market and try to get your hands on some discounts that may not be available for you, or you're simply trying to unblock streaming services. All of these VPNs will work wonders with regards to all of that. Okay, so the way you can change your IP address, so as you can tell here, I have an American IP address because I'm connected to the New York Express VPN server. So let's say I want a European IP address this time around. So let's just connect to Spain and use NordVPN for this one. And just go to your IP checker and simply refresh to double check that you have the correct IP address. I am in Madrid. I have a Spanish IP address, and it is as simple as that. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as my top 3 VPNs video if you'd like to learn more about them. Besides that, keep in mind that they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee no matter which plan you decide to go for, and they have 24/7 live chat support. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.